Let's get the show on the road. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Good evening, good evening. Yes, that is a dog drinking water. We got Ralph the dog cam on tonight. I got a co-host on the vertical stream and on the mainstream here. You know how much everybody loves Mr. Ralph. Hey, Paul. Hey, ForceFed. How you doing? Yeah, so don't expect too much commentary out of him, but he's awake. He's over there. He's kind of moving around, doing his thing. You know, he'll just be hanging out. He'll probably be sleeping soon, but you know. So what is with this market here, guys? We gapped down. We filled the gap. Got all the way up to a previous day point of control and then pulled back all the way back down. There we go. And we did it. We did it. You take trade ideas from him over a lot of people? Yeah, I mean, he made it in a couple songs, and in the songs he trades better than some people. So does Ralph say up or down? What do you say, Ralph? Up or down? Up or down? He's like, what? Are you telling me to lie down right now? Maybe I should actually be setting up the camera from the other side because he's always looking towards me, and this way it's the opposite. There we go. That's a little better. Ralph, you're the star of the show tonight, buddy. Hey, Kyle, how you doing? Need the fireplace? Oh, shoot. I'm a little behind schedule here. You're 100% right. Need the fireplace going. It's getting cold in here. Oh, it sounds like Trump is talking right now. Where is this going on? Never mind. It was an old thing still running on StreamYard. Poor pup? Raider Rob, hey, good evening. Yeah, he's a special guy. He's a special guy. Don't knock the camera there, Ralph. Crazy range and gap fill both ways. Yeah, I know, right? We filled the gap, and then now we're all the way back down to the lows here. So does that mean we're gonna head lower still? I don't know, guys. What do you think? We got right into where this channel that I had from the New York session That actually looks really accurate there. So let's just get rid of this one. We'll clone that one. Clone this bad boy. Is it like this? I think it was like this. Yeah, so I don't know. Are we looking for shorts? It seems that way. Wish I was here just a little bit earlier because it looks like this right here would have been a great entry. We did pop back up here into this fair value gap and then rejected straight off of it. So harmonized cacophony. Sorry if I'm hoping I'm saying that. Do you think the NQ will make a Mondo plop? I don't know. Let's do a little bit of analysis here, guys. What do we got for price? What do we have below? I mean, there is room below to 28,900 area, but I think I'd be watching this previous day low, and this line here would be kind of when I would reassess as to whether or not we're gonna go down a lot more or not, right? I made a Mondo plop a little bit ago. No reason NQ can't. I like the way that you described that though. Harmonized, the Mondo plop. As you can tell, we have some comedians in the chat, so like Ralph's a thirsty guy over there, drinking away. So guys, guess what? I got approved by Tradeify. So I'm officially a Tradeify affiliate, guys. So if you guys need any accounts with Tradeify, or if you're looking to refill, appreciate you guys using that discount code. I did try to get it switched to Butcher, but it hasn't activated yet. So I have a bit of a weird discount code at the moment. It's in the description of the video for now, but it should hopefully be updated in the next day or so. I just don't know. I'm new to their system, right? So I don't know how long it usually takes for that to happen, but super excited about that. Getting on board with Tradeify. Hey guys, do me a favor and check out your notification bell if you are following me. Make sure that notification bell is set to all, because I've noticed a decline in viewers popping through the stream lately. It could be the summer. It could be a couple of reasons. You know, some of those other big trading gurus have started putting on streams in the evenings also. But if you could do me a favor and just check out your notifications there and make sure it's set to all, I'd appreciate that. And please hit that like button. Also support the stream. Just trying to get us out there a little bit more. It's there. I just been going to bed. Oh, nice, Sean. Yeah, it is summer, right? So people maybe not that active. Look at this guy. He's laying down so far from the camera. I'm gonna have to always like get him to lie down different. Today is Wednesday. I'm doing some impromptu streams. Just trying to work. I'm grinding extra hard right now. Trying to see if we can't get the algorithm to fix its issues with me. So yeah, and we got the puppy cam. We're trying it out here. See if we can use the power of Ralph. to bring in some more viewers, guys. What's for another hour and 14 minutes here? Yeah, I wish they would give free accounts. I would love to give some free accounts away, but I think I got to make some affiliate sales first. Oh, it's Wednesday for that long? Oh, gotcha. Yeah. It's only 7:48 for me. So last week I used code Butcher for Lucid Flex. Hey, thank you. This week payout, yeah. Woo! You know what that means? You know what that means, right? Awesome job, bro. Awesome job. That's great to hear. Love it. Elevated Life. Hey, what's up? How are you? How you doing tonight? Person pink swaying hair. Oh, yeah. There we go. So I'm wondering here, is this going to be a short entry at the moment? We're probably, I'm thinking we're going to go lower. Are we going to get a bit of a bounce here though? Let me see, what could I trade this evening here? I do have my 150K Lucid Flex eval. Why does it say order rejected? Huh? That's weird. I'm getting order rejected on one of my accounts for some reason. It says order rejected again. Okay, well maybe I just need to relog in here. What is going on? Why is my Lucid getting order rejected? Why is everything on my Lucid is paused? What the heck is going on? That's so weird. All of my accounts for some reason are paused in Lucid. I shouldn't have. But like, why would they pause all of my accounts? Is it because I'm eligible for a payout? What the heck, man? Support. Maybe they'll move me to live? No. I don't think so. Yeah, it's I don't know. I don't get it. There's no details in the accounts. Like, it doesn't show any. I'm gonna try logging out. No, because on the dashboard it says paused. So I don't get that here. Hey Trina, how are you? I want to see us retest 150 short again. Nice, yeah. Well, that sucks. I don't know what's going on there. No, I'm not in trade right now at the moment. I was just trying to get into a short position here, but for some reason my Lucid accounts are saying paused, and there's absolutely no reason that they'd be paused, because I took a couple small trades. Yes, I do have other accounts to trade, so I'm gonna just switch over to those right now, but so in that case, what's my blue sky? My blue sky is, I opened a ticket with them. Blue sky is empty. I didn't do anything. I made some profit today. The only thing that I did do, which shouldn't have done anything though, which is I went into my account summary and I went to my fundeds accounts, and then it says payout. I clicked like payout eligible or something, but I didn't request a payout. It said your amount would be available at the end of the day. And like, there's no trades or anything weird. Like, Yannick, hey, your dog took some bad trades on your Lucid account. He has a guilty face. Yeah, he does, doesn't he? What are you doing, Ralph? I gotta get him to like at least face the camera though, hey? Stay. Hey Yannick, how you doing? Isn't ringing a bell, but I know a lot of mics. Not sure about their last names. Okay. I think we're gonna push lower here. Yeah, for now it looks like we're gonna go lower. I mean, we're below the VWAP, we're below the previous day's point of control, so I would be a little careful sort of at the bottom of this channel. We found support here before, and if we can get through there, then I'd be looking for previous day low. Maybe I can zoom in that camera on a different view a little bit. Well, it looks like I got one entry there. In your country, it's 7 a.m., Yannick? Whoa. Yes, the Ralph Cam. Too many jokes overhead? Overhead. LOL. You speak French and a little English. Nice. I speak English, a little bit of Spanish, and a little bit of Mandarin. Ryan Entourage in the house. What's up? We got a co-star tonight sitting in for Nick, guys. We got Mr. Ralph. Oh, so frustrating, man. Why would my accounts be paused? There's absolutely no reason to be paused. So my one eval and my funded accounts are paused. When I go to the affiliate area, seems to be all normal. Yeah, all the coupons are still there. So the affiliate thing seems all back to all normal. So weird. No, that's Ralph. That's Ralph. That's my Frenchie. My 10.5-year-old French bulldog. No, that's not the picture of Frank, so. Yeah, so I'm in the Lucid dashboard. Like I logged into the dashboard and it just shows all my accounts show paused. All of them, including my funded and my evals. Even my failed evals show paused. And when I go into view details, like there's nothing on there weird. Like there's no reason for them to be paused. I tried to like put in my order here on Tradeify and it said order rejected. So I opened a ticket, but I submitted a ticket already. And then they said, Monica joined the conversation, said, thank you for reaching out. Your account has been escalated to our review team for further evaluation. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for our team to complete the review. We'll follow up with you once we have an update. We appreciate your patience. And then I was like, is there anything that you can see to tell me why my accounts are mysteriously paused? But hey, Cleeg, how are you? Just got an alert, your stream, Dave. This is normal for Wednesday light? No. To be honest, the reason I'm streaming tonight, guys, is because you know, I've been having a bit of a weird situation with my algorithm is not sharing me to new people. So, you know, like throughout not all last week, I had about 450 to 500 people come through the stream. And then the whole week before that, it was all like 1,500 to 2,000 people. So I peaked out at like 2,000 people on the last Sunday. We had over 208 viewers at once. And then after that, you know, it just died off. So I'm like trying to figure out what's going on. And I figured I'm just going to go extra hard here for a little bit, try to get as many streams in as possible to see if I can't bring it up. So Randall, you would think so, but I don't have I haven't taken a payout in like I haven't taken a payout. So you normally got to take out like multiple payouts, right? Why would they just take me to live? Like usually you got to take like multiple payouts out of one account before they're going to take you live, right? Trina Banana, I'm not sure about that. I did kind of like ask the algorithm, so I'm not really sure. What a crazy night. It ran up, went past the gap, only to come all the way back down. I know this is the kind of market that we're in, I guess, right? Yeah, so I didn't get four payouts, you know, from them. So like there's no reason I should be going live. I'm eligible for 2 payouts right now from my pro accounts or my flex accounts, but I don't have enough buffer in there, so I don't want to take it. So I don't know, maybe that's what I did though. Like, so when I go to my funded accounts, Lucid, my funded accounts, I did click like the like payout like eligibility button, and it said your payout amount will be eligible at the end of the day. So I did click that. So I'm wondering if that has something to do with it. I don't know. I did so good this morning and then got trashed in Asia. Oh, well, this wasn't, I mean, if you were on the wrong side of this, it's bad, right? So yeah, it's 4 per account, right? Like you got to have 4 in a row on one account from my understanding also to go live. So that's, again, doesn't make sense. That can't be the reason why. But they're saying, please allow 24 to 48 hours for a team to complete the review. And it's like, well, what review? Like, why is there a review? I basically took like, what did I take today? Like 1 trade in each account. Let's see here. What time was it here? 07:22. So I took an MYM trade. There was 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And then I took an MNQ trade that was 3 minutes and 29 seconds in this one account. Okay. So that one I made 155 bucks. And then if I go to my other one, Lucid funded, few details, 22. I took one trade in this one, $114 winner, 43-second trade. So nothing weird about that, right? And then if I go back to the eval, I have one eval, 150K pro eval. If I look at that one, I took 22nd. I took one trade, $139, 2 minutes and 55 seconds. So doesn't make any sense to me. So this needs to dump past 46 to pass an eval. Nice, Trina. That's great. They can do what they want, I suppose. Yeah, they can. But like, I mean, there's no real reason. I think there will be more downside, but I want to see it retest a few levels before going short. We might not get it. Looks like we're pushing. When I think of shady traders, Dave is near the top of the list. I know, right? You know, I'm like hedging and doing all this crazy stuff. Not. Hey, Dave. Hey, Wilson, how you doing? Happy to trade with you also. Check if you got an email. Oh, I did get an email about KYC. Does that have to be updated? I did see that. Yes, you're right. I didn't actually do anything about that. So maybe I need to go in there and check that. Go account summary. No. My profile. Let me look at that KYC. Yeah, that's a good point. It could be something like that. Only for new users. What? I'm still short 20. What do you mean you're short 20 contracts? Unless somebody... Stricter verification is coming to new registrations. Yeah. We have a recent uptick in coordinated bad actors, payment fraud, false identities, group hedging, and more. Our detection improves every month, but the hard part has always been enforcing at scale without catching legitimate traders in the net. That balance has been our priority throughout, and we have now reached the point where stricter enforcement is necessary to stop people. If you already trade with us, this change is aimed at new registrants. Existing traders should expect minimal service interruptions. Your existing accounts, trading accounts, and platform logins are unaffected. Your payout process is unchanged, and there's nothing you need to do. Verification continues to apply where activity is flagged exactly as it does now. What is changing for new users? Okay, coming. Nice job, Trina. Nice job. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything to do. Maybe they're reviewing my account for some reason. I don't know. There should be, you know, I'm not I'm not a scammer. What the heck? That's annoying. Yeah, you like I had the mic on at the start. I didn't want it to echo, but I realized I'm like, oh, he's probably drinking, right? Yeah, my dog is on the stream also. He's sitting in for a co-pilot of Nick. I'm gonna close these other orders here. I guess I should start thinking about taking some profit, eh? Will anybody else have a Lucid account that has any issues right now? Are you guys' accounts all good? Is it just my account? Yeah, he's sleeping. He's sleeping on the stream. It's my step pup, right, Clee? Uh-oh, he saw me move. He's got some sixth sense there. Just an FYI, guys, too. I am now a Tradeify affiliate, guys. Woo! I had the interview this morning. Went really well. It was really nice to meet Joe from Tradeify. So if you guys are looking for Tradeify accounts, I did submit for Butcher as my code, but so far, I just realized my lights aren't on. So far, they have a bit of a weird code for me. So if you guys check the comments, or sorry, the description of the video, there is the link to get there, and also the link for my discount code. It's a really weird number. It's like, what is it here? It's 93DRM08F. My name is David, or Dave, and Butcher, Market Butcher is like my, my YouTube name. So mostly everyone calls me Dave. Hey, thanks, lady. Lady C. Lady Sika. Lady Sika. Siaka. No, Lady C, aka Lyric in the house. So you guys, make sure you hit that like button for Mr. Ralph, and do me a favor, everyone who's here, if you could take a quick sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Sometimes I just hit there's like a little button on the side of the mic here. Maybe can I change this? Yes, sorry. I was going to say, can you guys do me a favor and check your notifications button, the bell notification. Lately, I haven't been getting as many people coming into the stream, so I'm wondering if somehow the YouTube switched your guys's like notification from all to personalized, because I noticed on my alt accounts where I followed myself that it was set to personalized, and I'm pretty sure I hit all. So if you could just check and see if it's on all, and if you guys wouldn't mind switching it to all if it isn't, I'd appreciate it. Yours says, see, this is weird because I don't know, Ryan, do you remember having it as all? Like when you hit the bell in the past, did you set it to all and then it changed it? Mine shows personalized. I don't remember setting it. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. So this is, I think, why part of the reason I'm getting less people, right? So I don't know what happened there, but a bunch of people must be all set to personalized now rather than all. So I'm not getting recommended to as many people. So I'm gonna have to keep sort of harping on this. Sorry about that, guys, if I keep asking that, but it would really obviously support the channel, help the channel if you guys do have it on all. And yeah, it's weird that it's set like that, because some people, yeah, see, Drew said it's on all, and some people say it's on all, and other people have been telling me it's on personalized. So I don't really know what happened with that whole thing, but it would definitely help the channel if you guys had it on all, because then I think you're telling the algorithm that you want to get it, promoted to you, and then hopefully it also promotes it to new people, kind of thing. So it happens to you, when you miss stream, it's not yours. It's like auto purging. Oh, gotcha. Well, it's probably a good idea to just bring it up occasionally then with the chat and just see if it does send me to your vertical stream first. So also, I don't know why it does that. Yeah, it's weird. I noticed that too. Like, you're not on your phone, are you? Like when you're watching from your PC, or are you watching from your phone? Come on, boys, we gotta push lower here. Which I don't really know why it would be, like, because the only thing I do is I set it, like, when I set up the stream, like now lately I've been doing it like on StreamYard, it can promote both. Well, because I don't put it vertical, I don't have the vertical during the morning stream. Like we never put the vertical stream in the morning. It's not even a thing, so. So you would never see the vertical stream because we're not promoting it. We're not sending it to there. And then before I was using StreamYard, I would have the main stream on one and the vertical stream on another, like on another web page. And then I realized that like I can do them both at the same time out of one platform rather than having both. It's just a little easier because then I don't have to manage two songs. Because before I would have to like change a song and change a song on the other guy. So there's a guy, Smooth Trader. The same thing happened to him. I wonder if there's a way that I can set it so that, it, like, I don't know. I wonder, like, is there a way to change that maybe? Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ. If people are landing on the wrong stream, make sure your channel's homepage featured live is pointing to the horizontal stream. How do I do? What is that? I'm just trying to see if there's a way that I can adjust that. So are we gonna get? Is this thing gonna turn around on us here? Like we're holding this fair value gap here. I probably should have taken profits down here at the bottom at the 32s. This could be actually a little short entry add-in area. 68. BTC 588, Micron 244, base 188. Are you trading some you trading some crypto there, Helix? Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and MNQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. Times 40 mil. So I did add one micro there, guys. Let's hopefully this thing doesn't decide to rip on me. Feel like if we get back up into the 90s and get a rejection in this fair value gap, we can probably think about adding again, but don't want to get too heavy here if this thing decides to turn around on us. But this could be a decent opportunity for an add into the short here. We're in a bearish fair value gap, kind of hitting a little bit of resistance here at the 80s. Maybe I should stop with the vertical streams or what? Hey, we got 64 people watching though. That's pretty good. 7 people in X this evening. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Wednesday night. It's not our usual streams. I wasn't able to stream yesterday. OC Dog Trainer. Hey, how you doing, bud? Good. What'd you say, Randall? No, what? No, don't stop the vertical stream or what? Or do you think I should keep it? And you said no. It's like you're saying no, I shouldn't keep it. Angia, hey, good morning. How are you? It's always good. Oh, Jose. Yes, don't stop. Okay. Yeah, no, the reason I don't want to stop is because it does drive some more people in here from other channels. Hey, K-Poppers, thank you. 350 gems. Keep pressing GPT for an answer. I did, and it gave me a better answer. Okay, thank you. I know it's always good to keep pressing it, right? Thanks for the 350 gems, Mr. K. Papa's in the house. Thank you, sir. You rock, bro. Thank you. We're all the way up. We're up to 85 people now. Maybe the algorithm's gonna turn around on me here and start promoting a little bit better. Let's see. I'm gonna go. I want to switch to one of my other alt accounts and take a look to see if it's gonna suggest me on the live stream or not. On the live feed. Took TP at the bottom. Thank you. Hey, you're welcome. Oh, you took that down there. Nice. Good trade. Good trade. Let's go here. YouTube. Go to the live feed. Okay, well, I'm getting promoted to my, but it is promoting the vertical stream and not the mainstream. Okay, now it's promoting both streams. Okay, so that's a good thing. At least my alt accounts are now showing up on there. So okay. Maybe we'll get some more people in here. We'll see. I've been locked in. Yeah, I'm in a short right now, Jose. Fruits. Hey, Fruitsy Burnett. I was recommended. Hey, that's awesome. Thank you. Are you new to the channel? I don't recognize your name. Say hi to Ralph. He's sleeping right now, everybody. You're waiting to enter again? I added in on this pullback there. So almost always shows me the vertical. Gotcha. Okay. Hey, welcome to the stream, Fruitsy. We're a pretty fun community here. So if you want to hang out, I also have a Discord. That's been there too. Hey Dave, did you have a code with My Funded Futures? I do have with Tradeify, Paul V World. I just got it with Tradeify. If you look in the description of the title of the streams, it'll have the link to them, and it has my discount code. It's a little bit weird. I did apply for Butcher, but it's gonna take, I think, a little bit of time to connect it. So it's a bit of a weird code right now. So yeah, we got a co-star Mr. Ralph on the stream here.
Market Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't need a home run. I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Deep bass.
Yeah, so that's pretty sweet. Maybe the algorithm decided to start promoting me again. We'll see. Because it looks like I got another subscriber, which I haven't. So guys, I was at 1,770 subscribers like about a week ago, and then I like lost 3 subscribers somehow. And then I've been stuck at 1767 or something forever, and then now it looks like I finally got up to 1773 now. So wow. Thank you guys. Maybe we're back in action here. I've been in this short since over here at what time was this? 10:55. I got in on this bearish fair value gap. I added here on this one right here in this bearish fair value gap, but it looks like price is going against me a little bit here. If we end up getting above inverting this guy here up above the 29,100 area, if we get a candle closure up there, I'll obviously be looking to close this. I had an opportunity to take $100 off with 1 micro, but I kind of was feeling like we're going to go lower, but we're in this inverted 4-hour fair value gap here from a few days before. So if we go back to the 4-hour chart here, so as you can see, all the way from back over here, where was it? Oh, that's a 1 hour. Where's the 4-hour here? Yeah, so we have this little 4-hour fair value gap from Thursday that was inverted, right? So it was bearish. We had candle closures above it, inverted it. Now we haven't closed below it, so it's still a valid inverted fair value gap. So this could be a losing trade because it's starting to pump here, unfortunately. Let's go back to the 5-minute here. I might need to just cut this guy here. We did not close this candle above that fair value gap though, but we're currently pushing. Oh, we did close above it. Hey, Jesus. Yeah, this is looking like it's going to be a losing trade, unfortunately. Well, this is a gap, actually. Let me frame this out here. You okay, Ralph? Ralph's moving off the camera. Yeah, big Teflon. We got Ralph on the cam. Are you gonna nest? Are you nesting? Are you nesting? There you go. Come on. You stay over here. People want to see you on the stream. Come on, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. You stay. You stay. It's like forced dog labor. Hey, guys. We got forced dog labor. So his back legs don't work. Sly cats. Unfortunately, his back legs are lame. He had surgery for his spinal cord. So he had one for his spinal cord. He was able to walk, and then about 9 months later, he was like shaking his head, and he slipped a disc in his neck. So I had to get a second surgery, and then after that, he was never able to walk. So after the first surgery, he was able to walk. He was really bad, and I had to put like little little booties on his back feet for traction and for to help you know, deal with sort of like the pain, I guess. And yeah, but he's a lover boy, right, Ralph? Hey, hey, bud, say hi to the chat. Say hi to the chat. Yeah, he's happy. So he's had quite the dog story, though. A dog's life. I mean, he lives a good life. I take care of him like as best as I can. After his second surgery, he suffered from pneumonia for almost 2 years, guys, on and off, battling it on medication. Finally, he stopped having this like lung problem. The doctors were saying like, this is a thing that's never gonna end. Like he kind of had like in the x-rays, he had sort of like an abscess looking thing in his chest. So they're basically saying like, I don't think this is gonna ever get better, but it did. So far so good. So he stopped coughing now he's been off the medication for his lungs for quite some time. But as soon as I took him off the medication for his freaking lungs, guys, you'll never believe it. The guy gets a skin bacterial infection that I've now been battling for months too. So it's like, he just can't catch a break, this guy, man. It's like, no matter like what I do, I'm bathing him every 2 to 3 days. I treat his little bacterial skin infections in the morning and at night, and he's on some different medication for that now. It's like, this guy just can't catch a break. So, and he's 10 and a half years old, so he's getting a little bit old up there, right? But you know, it's all good. That's the Frenchie life, you know. He's loving life regardless. So hey, look at that, 98 people in the YouTube and 8 in X. Woo, this is awesome. Happy to see all you guys here. Yeah, he's a great cuddle puppy, except for he doesn't really like it. You can't pet like his back end because he's kind of a little bit sensitive. So you always just gotta like, he loves his chest being rubbed. So like I often like flip him on his back and I like rub his chest because that seems to be a non-sensitive area from the nerve damage. And he loves on the top of his head also. Like if you just kind of like, if you had like, my sister has long nails, so she is always like scratches the top of his head like this. He just loves it so much. So yeah, he's a soldier. I love this guy. I'd do anything for him. He's bankrupting me at the same time though, guys. I got this like spray that I gotta go get, and it's like not very much, and I go through like about 2 of these a week currently to treat the skin situation. Plus I have these like little like gauze pads with like a medicated stuff. So yeah. GQ Raphael, is that the same Raphael Cini with a different account or what? Oh, it's a Sly Cat. Gotcha. And thanks for having the dog cam. Hey, you're welcome. No, okay, you're just a different Raphael. Oh, there we go. I was like, is that the same Raphael? Hey, welcome to the stream, GQ Raphael. I think the algorithm really likes having Ralph on. Hey guys, he's gonna have to be the co-pilot for all the streams here. But yeah, welcome to stream. I'm basically looking, if we're going to get an inversion on this bearish fair value gap here, guys, I'm going to have to exit this trade because it looks like we might be finding support here. I'm hoping that this is kind of just going to be a temporary bounce before we continue lower, but we did find support here earlier, so kind of a little suspect. We're going to go higher, unfortunately. So this might be a losing trade. It is in an evaluation account. So 2 minutes and 40 seconds here left. If we get a candle closure above 29,100, I'm gonna look to exit this trade. So just an FYI. It's too bad though. I could have taken $100 profit on one micro down here in this area, but I was hoping that we were going to get a little bit more of a push down. I'm targeting previous day low down here at 28,980 area. So the 14 and 21 EMA is starting to curl upward, maybe making a move back up to 29,140s. Yeah, I totally agree. We might be even going to retest a VWAP, like you're saying. That's up at 40s there. So if Ralph starts calling trades, then we'll really have a stream. I know, right? That'd be awesome.
Let's go.
29,140 is a VWAP on my chart. Yeah, I got it too. Mine's at 29,142 here. I don't know. I'm not that convinced yet that we're going to go all bullish. But yeah, like I said, if we had a lot of resistance in this area previously. We did end up breaking out from there after, but we'll have to see how this plays out. So if I get a candle closure above the 100s here, hopefully I'll get a retest into this fair value gap and at least let me get out close to break even. You'll probably try to short at 140. Yeah. It's it most likely is a good place. I was watching it when we were pulling down this way earlier before the stream started, and I was like, oh, there's a view up. Oh, this could be a long opportunity. And like, I was like, but I didn't take any trades. I wasn't ready to be trading. And then I looked back a couple minutes later and it just ripped straight through it. So I'm like, oh, good thing I didn't take a long there. So we got 20 seconds left on this candle here. Let's see if we're going to get this closure above here or not. We need these sellers to step in and shut this thing down. If not, I'm going to have to exit this trade. You know the rules. The rules are the rules, guys. You know, you set yourself some rules. You got to follow it. So the rules are on the fair value gap that I enter. If I enter a short on a fair value gap, it did not invert it there. So we're going to have to wait another 5 minutes. Jesus. Jeez. I guess that means really I should probably think about adding one here. Am I that convinced? How's the volume? The volume's pretty low, guys. I think I'm going to try adding one more here. Okay, so I'm in this will be my maximum position size. 3 micros here. Hopefully this thing doesn't just rip on me. It might, but it might rip on me here. But yeah, this is just an eval. So if I end up taking $150, $200 loser, it's not the end of the world. This account is up. I got about 300 in profit in this account. It's a 50K eval. So if I end up going back to flat on the 50K, it's not the end of the world. Yeah, I hear you. I'm just trying to trade in my rules here, right? So we didn't get a closure on the to invert that fair value gap. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. The book map is, we do have a bunch of orders down here at 29,025, and then we have some up there at 150. So it's kind of a mixed bag. Nothing really clear on the book. Let's take a look at the big contracts. We did take out some orders there at 105. And then we have some contracts at 115 here. Oh, so irritated that my Lucid accounts are freaking paused. Like, what the heck, man? It must have to do with that whole new KYC thing that they're talking about. So I'm assuming that once they get around to checking the account, they're gonna pause it because like there's no reason for it to be paused. Like I literally took 3 trades, 1 in each account at separate times. So like there's no hedging, there's no, you know, oversizing, there's no any crazy stuff going on. So there should be absolutely no reason that my accounts are paused right now. But it's all good. We'll see. And was mentioning earlier, guys, but I just today got an affiliate code with Tradeify. So if you guys are trading Tradeify, I would appreciate the support. If you guys use my discount code, that would be awesome. They're a great company, obviously one of the GOATs, ranked in the top 3, I would say, for all the best platforms. You know, I would say Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader are definitely my 3 tops favorite. Can't seem to get an affiliate code with Take Profit Trader. So, but yeah, check out in the description of the video. It's a bit of a weird code. I am trying to get them to change it to Butcher, which they probably will, but it's because it's the first day. So yeah, I am in a short right now, as I. So yeah, me too, Angia. So it's a weird code right now. Unfortunately, it's like I'll show you guys what I'll link the code here. It's like some weird numbers and letters. Hopefully it gets changed to Butcher soon, but at least I got it. So I went through the interview, got approved, and so there's the code. It's really weird, 93DRM08F. So it looks like I'm gonna get a stopped out on this, guys. I'm gonna wait this 30 seconds though. You know what? I'm actually just gonna close it now. I'm just taking a loss on that one. I should have closed the trade down here when we were nicely in profit. Was up $100 there. It's definitely gonna close, you know, outside of this fair value gap. So just my rules are, if you enter on a fair value gap in a short trade, you're gonna close it if it gets inverted, and it's looking like it's gonna invert it for sure. So this might go back lower, but we're delivering from a 1-hour bullish fair value gap, and we have 5 minutes CISD, so we're currently bullish. I think I agree. I was being a little hopeful there, but you can't win them all, right? You can't win them all. It is what it is. No big deal. So what did I lose? I lost $162. It's no big deal. It's in an eval there, and we'll be on to the next one. So maybe what I should be looking for now is a retracement into you know, if we can get a retracement into another fair value gap. Although we're still below the VWAP, so my rules are typically maybe I should wait for rejection off the VWAP if I'm going to look for another short. So I'll be patient here, try to wait for either a long above the VWAP here or a rejection to go lower. Code Butch Dog. Yeah. Or code Ralph. Imagine it was code Ralph, guys. Hey, 122 people in the channel here. We're getting back to some normal numbers here, guys. So happy about that. I was feeling pretty stressed out all last week because not getting any new people into the stream. You know, you grind so hard, you work really hard, you try to have a good product that you put out there that people enjoy, and you know, I literally was not getting any new viewers for an entire week. So it is what it is. Happy to see that we're getting some more people in here. If you guys can do me a favor though, just check your bell notification, guys. A lot of people have been saying that they had it set to all and it changed to personalized. So if you hit that bell notification and then switch it to all, then you're going to be guaranteed not to miss any of the streams or whatever as they get put live. So I had a couple people saying, oh, it's still on all, and I had a couple people saying it's switched to personalized. And when I looked it up too on my alt accounts, because I obviously I subscribed, I have 2 alt accounts. One's like my old scuba diving channel, and then my other one is like my real estate channel. So I went in there, and those two accounts had been changed to personalized instead of all. So Randall Paul, did you get the duck thing squared away? Not to be nosy, just offering help if you needed. What happened with Randall Paul? Did you win something and you never got the account or something? Is this going to be the rejection point here now? That would suck if I end up taking that, closing that loss. I think it was a good time to close it though, where I did. We'll see. Let's get some other songs going here. So if you guys are watching from the vertical stream, guys, there is a pinned comment there if you want to come join the main stream. There's a pinned comment in the comment section, in the chat section there. So come on over to the main stream if you're in the vertical stream. You can see Ralph a little bit better. Right now you can only see like a little bit of his head because he's sleeping the way he is. So you'd won a duck race with another channel and don't know how to claim the win. Oh, okay, gotcha. I'm still looking for 140 and I'll have a tight stop. I'll look for more room below. I agree. That's why I was saying I'll probably wait for that also. I think you're right. Well, we're going to probably at least get to 140 here. So, yeah. Try showing stop loss in your trades taken during the live stream. Any reason why you're suggesting that, Uncle Daniel? Just the only reason I just kind of have a different set of rules, right? So because of the trade that I entered there was in a bearish fair value gap. So we had a bearish fair value gap here. I'll just show you my trade, what my trade idea was here. So I had a bearish fair value gap here, right? So if this candle made this fair value gap, we retraced into it. I entered in the short here, right? And then some people took profits down here. I was talking about trying to take profits. We had another fair value gap right in this area. So I added one in the pullback into that guy. But really my criteria says that if my short idea where the fair value gap is, my exit is when this fair value gap gets inverted. So when price inverts that, like basically closes outside of the fair value gap, I'm gonna cut the trade. So that's why I didn't really have a stop loss in place there, because I'm willing to let it play a little bit out before I make the decision to cut it, right? So you had a similar entry as you. Same thing happened before. I need to journal my trades underrating trading habit. Yeah. Good morning for you, bedtime for me. Okay. I think on trading stream, a lot of people like seeing entry stops, profit and loss, etc., such as Tradeify screen looks. Just my opinion from what I generally see. Okay. Yeah, so that's why I don't really put I could put like a hard stop somewhere else, but that could be a little misleading too, right? Because I wouldn't want people to, like, if I had a stop here up at the VWAP, I would hate for somebody to wait for it to get all the way to that for the exit, right? So yeah, so the rules and my criteria, if you're new to the channel, is if I enter on a fair value gap for continuation, and then price inverts that fair value gap, that's my cue to get out of the trade. And quite often I'll get out with a break even. Like where I did close it there, I could have actually been a little more patient when I closed the trade, because the next candle pulled back all the way almost into that fair value gap. So I could have reduced the amount of loss, and that's typically how I exit the trade, because often when we get an inverted fair value gap, price retraces into it before it continues in the opposite direction. So what time do I stream? So usually I start at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the evening streams. And typically it's Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. But this week, I'm just putting in a little extra time because I wasn't able to do Tuesday. So I did Sunday, Monday, and now Wednesday. And I'll be again tomorrow, Thursday evening. We'll be live. So trying to put in a little more work. Like I said, I was having a little bit less viewership in the channel over the last week. So I've been, playing with my title and playing with my thumbnail to try to see if something was weird about the algorithm. So I got a new title, I got a new thumbnail, and then I'm also doubling down on how much time I'm going to be putting on these evening streams to see if we can't sort of win over the algorithm again. Let's say. Warlord Gaming, Intel AMD Inc. long-term server CPU agreements with China buyers. Sources, bro, don't short for now. Yeah, I agree. I mean, we'll see what happens here when we get to the VWAP though. Like, this is just my kind of a interesting, it's just the way I trade, right? Like, I trade the VWAP, so if I get a reaction off the VWAP here, I might try a short again. What I would like to see is either us stalling out and going sideways for a bit at the VWAP, or even if we're slightly above it, if we do it, then I'll be considering a short. Now, if we just rip straight through it and we start looking bullish, then I'll be possibly looking for a long, right? So as a continuation, maybe back towards the highs here. We do have this channel, this sort of like long-term channel here that I've been watching. So if we can get back into that area, definitely, value area low or up to the top of this channel here. So hey, thanks for all the hearts and all the interactions there. It must be you guys are loving the dog, hey? You're on the emoji? Nice, thank you. Also, click the emoji, live emoji, very important as well. Oh, thank you. The more we chat here, the more we can help the algorithm. Thanks, Angia. I didn't know that one. Sorry, Randall. Oh, okay. You're talking about Randall's thing there. Idea. 2 buttons, buy, sell, in front of Ralph, hooked up to a paper account. Yeah. Born Hunting, hey, welcome to the stream. Nice to see some new people popping in. Oh, appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Make sure you turn on that bell notification to all. I'd hate to miss you on the next stream. But thank you for that. How's the music, guys? Is it too loud? Loud enough? It's okay. I have it set pretty low right now. It's at like 16. Just don't want it to be. I just realized you have Frank cam. No, it's a Ralph cam, but yes. Yeah, you can just spam the emojis. Already joined you on. Hey, thank you. So since you did join on the Discord, Born Hunting is there. We do a giveaway every Sunday. So if you go to the giveaway channel, right? In the Discord, scroll all the way to the top. There's a pinned comment at the very top of the channel. There's a little you hear the music is there, but I can't hear it. Is it a little bit too quiet? I'll turn it up just a little bit more, give it like a 3 more points there. Yeah, so what I was saying there is Born Hunting is if you go in the Discord, there's a giveaway channel. Scroll to the top of the giveaway channel. There's a little Google Docs form. If you fill that out, you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways. So often we'll have. Are we getting a stall out here, guys? Maybe this is kind of what we're looking for to re-enter short here again. We'll have to see. But this is now an inverted fair value gap. Sorry, I keep getting distracted there about the giveaway thing. But so I have about 4 accounts a month away to give away. Not very much. But if you fill out the form, you just fill it out 1 time a month. So every time there's a new month, you got to go back in there and refill it out, and you'll be entered into the Sunday giveaways. So we're giving away a 25K Lucid Flex account. And yeah, so if you put in that form. So there's another thing that we do is often we'll run races on the weekday nights. Like tonight, we'll do a duck race once we hit about 75 likes. And what the tonight duck races are is I usually put a form into the chat. You click that, you're going to be entered into that race. So there will be another form in the chat that I'll post here in YouTube. Once you fill that form out, you'll be entered into a duck race tonight. If you win the duck race on the weekdays, you get an extra duck into the Sunday race. So it just kind of like gives you a little bit higher odds of winning, rather than somebody who just like shows up once, fills out the form, and then doesn't participate in the streams throughout the week. So just keep a heads up for that. We'll be probably doing that a little bit later. Once we get close to 75 likes, I usually is when I put out the form for the duck race tonight. And if you, like I said, if you're a winner on the duck race tonight, then you'll end up getting an extra duck for the Sunday race. So we are stalling out here. We're a little bit below the VWAP. I'm wondering if this is going to be a short opportunity. It might be. We could just also be flagging out here a bit. So we did not invert this bearish fair value gap at this level. So I'm new to all this. It's fun, but I'm not great with Discord and other sites. I just trade. Hey, yeah. Well, Discord's pretty simple, you know. It's a little bit annoying at first, but once you get into some of the good Discords, it becomes pretty simple. There's lots of good information in there. Other traders, you know, sharing trades or, you know, info on giveaways, stuff like that. So, hey, look at that. 133 people watching and 9 people in X. So welcome to the stream. Anybody who's new, appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for showing up. If we can hit that like button and subscribe, turn on that bell notification to all so you can be notified when we get all these future streams going. We're at about 58 likes, so 17 more likes and we'll get that that form going. We got a 30-minute fair value gap. Let's see here. Yes, we do. We have a 30-minute fair value gap, which lines up with the overnight VWAP here. And the 30-minute, this candle is looking pretty strong at the moment. This 30-minute candle. I wouldn't be interested in shorting above 99 if it's below the VWAP. Above 99 if it's below the VWAP. So you're talking about like you're looking for it to break down below 99 before you enter your short Clee? This is also a 1-hour fair value gap, actually. It doesn't get to the 140 VWAP, yes. Everybody got a story. But the market. Yeah, look at that, hey? Okay, well, but we do have this. See, this is what I was talking about earlier, guys. So whenever we get an inverted fair value gap, often we're going to get a pullback into it. Then this could be a potential buy, but, you know, again, following my own rules are that I typically only short below the VWAP and long above it. So we have a few interesting things here at the moment. Is we're below the previous day's point of control, so that is a bearish sign for me, but we're below the VWAP, so that's also a bearish sign. So it's hard for me to take a long in this inverted fair value gap. Maybe this was the bounce that we needed here before we're going to end up going lower. So let's see. I'm going to see how this candle closes here and then reconsider if I'm going to take a short. But so far, it seems like this 5-minute bearish fair value gap is holding. And maybe we're going to end up making a move back down to the lows here. But the real telltale would be as if we re-invert this fair value gap. Midnight open, is it? Oh, yes, it is. Thank you for that. Let's so I have a little line that I like to put here. Here's my midnight open. So I'm going to put it right to the opening price of this candle. Some people will put a VWAP on it. You could put an anchored VWAP there and just kind of trade off of that. Whether or not we're above it or below it, it could give you another insight. The only thing is, guys, the reason I probably should have just held that trade regardless, because if we're looking at the volume here, you know, we didn't have very strong volume on that push up, right? So yeah, it's all good. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, right? We don't have huge participation with volume. And, you know, although we did bounce, this could be the start of the continuation lower here. So let's just wait for, I'm going to wait for this candle closure here to see if we can see what happens with this inverted fair value gap. Because, you know, usually my rules would say I would take a long in the inverted fair value gap on the retest, right? But we're below the VWAP. We're below the previous day's point of control. So I should be looking for shorts, right? So, hey, Justin Wright, how you doing? Good evening. Wow, guys, 154 people in YouTube. I don't know whatever happened, but it seems like the algorithm is back on. Everybody say what's up to Ralph. He's just sleeping, his head down. He's sleeping there. The co-pilot Ralph there is bringing in all the viewers. So you think it's short and going to go down? You know, my rules basically say that I should be looking for only shorts right now until we're above the VWAP. So not financial advice, but that's just how I try to look at it. So if we're below the VWAP, we're below the previous day point of control, I should be looking for shorts. I did cut that short earlier because we did bounce out of there, but looking like this is going to be the reversal point now for us to go lower. So I'm going to wait for this candle closure and see what happens out of this, and then make a decision. But it seems like this fair value gap was actually the better short entry, even though it was mitigated before. But maybe that's a little information that we could have looked at to help us decide on taking the short in this area. Because I'm back to break even on that other trade right now. Like, this was basically break even on that other trade. As you can see here, here's the executions on trade of 8. So I went short. So this was that fair value gap that I entered on. We retraced into it. I went short there. Price came all the way down here. Probably should have taken profit here. We had a fair value gap here. I added one there. Price continued to go higher, rejected on this area. I did add one more in this, again, on this fair value gap. And then, you know, right there in this fair value gap, I ended up closing it there because we were pushing up. And then look at that. Now we would have been back basically into break even area right now. And we're pushing lower. So that's too bad. Previous day low incoming. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too here. Where's my original short? It's already lower than my original short. So my July is going pretty well. I can show you my dashboard. For some reason, my 150K my 150K top one futures account isn't syncing in there anymore. So there's some of my profits aren't necessarily in there, but I can show you my TradeZella dashboard for the month so far. It's looking pretty good. I'm eligible for 2 payouts from my Lucid Flex accounts, but I don't have enough buffer in there to take it. So here's my month. I'm up about 6K on the month. These are all funded accounts. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 funded accounts currently left. I did lose a couple of my funded accounts, and one of them isn't syncing for some reason. So, you know, I made 360 today. I took 4 trades, 100% win rate. Yesterday, 3 trades, 100% win rate. Sunday, 1 trade, 100% win rate. Really bad day on Monday. Ended up getting back basically to break even on the day by the end of the day, which is pretty good. 76% win rate there. So not horrible day, but decent month so far. just gonna keep grinding slow and steady here, trying to stack some more profit into these Lucid accounts, the Lucid ones, and my take profit trader. My take profit trader is only about 400 away from clearing the buffer. Once I clear the buffer, I'll be happy and I'll be able to stop worrying about that stupid intraday trailing drawdown, right? So here's my take profit trader account. It's at 1,717. So once I get it to 2,100, the buffer will be gone, and I won't have to worry about that intraday trailing drawdown. I can try to let these trades run a little longer. Basically, I'm being super aggressive on taking profits on this account. Like if I get $80, $100 in profit, I'm just like closing the trade just to lock it in. You got that intraday trailing drawdown. Don't want to like let it go back on you and then lose a bunch of money because you're giving back some profits. You know what I mean? It just sucks. It is what it is, but slow and steady till we get that buffer taken care of, and then we'll be going from there. So we got 1 minute 45 seconds here. Look at this trade, would have been really nice right now. Hey guys, happy Thursday. What are your thoughts on Apex Legacy 100K accounts? You know, I did have a couple Apex not long ago, but I'm not. Is it 5,200? Okay, I thought it was 52,100. Okay, so I about 300 something until I lock in that drawdown. What are my thoughts on the Apex? I don't really have many thoughts on those accounts. So look at this, guys. This is why I wanted to wait for this 5-minute closure below this inverted fair value gap, because until this candle closes, it could just wick up here and you know, continue with the bullish move. So that's why I was being patient here. And also, this is part of my criteria, right? When we have an inverted fair value gap on the trade that you enter in on the trade, often I wait for the retrace into that fair value gap to exit the trade. I did cut that one earlier at a loss, but just goes to show this is kind of a little bit of data as to why I usually have this rule. Is if it inverts it, you're looking to exit the trade. Quite often you're going to get a retrace into that fair value gap, and you can get out break even or even a little bit of profit if you're just patient. But the way it was looking, I just decided it was better to cut this one. But in the future, if you guys are looking at, you could consider it. So yeah, vintage base. Sorry, bro. I don't really have much to say about Apex. I have traded them a little bit. I haven't heard too many negative things. I've heard some negative things about Apex, some good things. So it seems like they've done some good changes recently. You still have the legacy accounts. Are they just releasing new legacy accounts, or you still have it from before? That's kind of my question. 159 people in YouTube and 10 people in X. Welcome everybody. How are we doing on the likes? Once we hit that 75 likes, we'll start doing that duck race for the extra entry into the Sunday giveaway. Looks like we need about 6 more likes. You gotten 6 or 7 payouts in the last 3 weeks from Apex. There you go. Proof is in the pudding right there. You took that short for 17 points. Nice trade, Clee. Nice trade. All approved and paid. Oh, it's a new release. So it's like they're bringing back the old one as a new release. Nice. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I heard lots of people took payouts on those, right? So, oh, but for a limited time. So they're throwing out some sort of like nostalgia, hey, for you guys, like for people that used to trade them. When the giveaway is announced, once we hit 75 likes, I'm gonna pin a comment in the chat there, and that'll have a little like a Google Docs form that you just fill that out, and then you'll be entered in tonight's duck race. Now, we also have a duck race. You know, the actual giveaway happens on Sunday, so you got to go in the Discord and go to the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top of the giveaway channel. There's another form to fill out there. That you fill that out once a month, and you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways. So if you're in on the stream with us during the week, and we're you know, we hit 75 likes, I'll put another form strictly in YouTube just for tonight's race. And if you win tonight's race, that gives you a second duck entry into the Sunday race, because I only have about 4 accounts per month that I can give away right now. So, and we just do that on every Sunday because I figured it was the best day to do it, since most people have Sunday, like they're not working on Sundays. So yeah, awesome. If you're entered in on the Discord on Sunday, or on the Discord, you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month. When the new month comes around, there'll be a new form put into Discord that you'll have to fill it out again. So once the new month, that just kind of like stops people from signing up one time and then like they're not participating, you know, and then they stay active, and then we have to run extra races because the people aren't here to claim the account, right? So yeah, head over to the Discord, fill out the form in the giveaway channel. That'll give you an entry into all the Sunday giveaways. And then once we hit 75 likes, I'm gonna post another form in the YouTube chat. You'll just fill out that form and you'll be entered into tonight's race, which will be the entry for the extra duck. So just increasing your odds, sort of my way to say thank you for participating in the stream, and then you'll have a better odds at winning on the Sunday giveaway. So this is exactly what I'm talking about here, guys. Inverted fair value gap. It was bearish. We inverted it. We had to pull back into it. Boom, long, right? So that's why I said I'm not going to jump into a short here until we get a closure below this fair value gap, this inverted one, because that would really give us a sign that we're going to move back down to the previous day low. And look what happened there. Mid candle, we were below that, but the candle did not close. It bounced back up, and now we're printing a bullish candle out of here. So nice long, Angia. Good job. I'm too busy talking over here to be paying attention to the trade. Missed this long entry though. So let me see here though. This should be a 1 hour bearish fair value gap, right? That's what I think that's what I put on here, which is a pretty good target. So be a little careful here once this price once the price gets to the middle of this gap. It could find a little bit of resistance here, because this is a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So these higher time frame fair value gaps can be pretty strong. So just keep in mind that. Not trying to tell you to sell your trade or anything, but somewhere around 29,150, we could end up finding some more resistance up there. So the top is a bearish fair value gap. Yes, this one. So how you can usually tell on my chart is if it's got an orange barrier, or like an orange edge on it, it's a bearish one. If it's got a yellow, it's inverted, and if it's got a green border, then it's a bullish. So maybe what I should do is change the color of the purple. But nice trade, Angia. Nice trade. Keith Smith in the house. Good evening. Yeah, so if Chris was here, he would tell you that it's better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one. It's actually in a song that, because we have some AI songs here that we play. That's what's playing right now. So it made it into one of the songs. It's pretty awesome. I use the Nephew Sam one, but I just like to frame them because I feel like when I have the inverted fair value gaps on, it just gets a little too cluttered. So I prefer, like, I tried the Lux Algo one before, but I prefer the Nephew Sam one personally. It's just a personal opinion. And then because I watch a chart on the 5-minute, I like to frame it in with a box on the higher time frame ones. So Take your trades with the base hits. Oatmeal is better than no meal. Right? I like it. So we rejected off the VWAP there. Is that going to be the end of the move? What the heck here, guys? Well, I mean, it was a little predictable that we're going to head to the VWAP. Now, what's going to happen here? I don't know. Is this going to be our... I think patience pays right now. Being flat is not a bad idea. The price is pretty confusing. You took your short at 140 and it worked. Nice. Klee is good at taking the trades, that's for sure. She knows what she wants and she goes for it. I think I probably got to get the form ready by now. Do we hit the 75 likes? Boom, 75 likes. Okay, I'm gonna get that form going here. We'll get it into the chat. So was it not that long after all? What was that? Sorry. Yeah, I mean, this was a good long. You could have definitely entered a long on the inverted fair value gap and targeting the VWAP, right? Had I not just taken that loss, I probably would have been more interested in taking a trade, but just trying to be patient here to get a little bit, if we're gonna get a little bit more of a clear direction. So then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Inside gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the roll stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader. Just getting this form filled out here. Just bear with me for a second.
Yeah, market butcher, Mustang trader. Trade like a
Okay, name, email, YouTube name. Country.
Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers. When the pressure came around, built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just working the boot.
Name, email, YouTube name, country, comments, publish, and copy. Okay, so I'm gonna post this form in the chat now, guys. So get your entries in for the entry for the extra duck for the Sunday race. There you go. It's in there. So look at that, guys. 170 people watching tonight. We're back. We're back, baby. We're back. Let's see what I get caught up on the chats here. I was just going to do a quick scalp to the EMA. Nice. I was long from 75.22, got out most but one left runner. Nice. I like that. I set my sell a tick below because I wasn't sure we were going to reject off it, and I wanted in. Yeah. Got close to VWAP, not close enough for my liking. I think it's more of an upside on ES. More upside on ES. Okay. Yeah. I am seeing as I'm setting up is we are trading in developing range, so it's is swinging. So on the next drop, I would be looking for retrace to take small profits and higher contract size. Look, guys, Ralph's nesting there, guys. He's like, oh, I want to make this bed a little bit more comfy here. Now delivering from a 15-minute fair value gap and a 1-hour bearish fair value gap. Too many fair value gaps are really making the decision making difficult. Yes, I agree 100% there. It's hard when we got conflicting fair value gaps to definitely make it hard. Name, mother's maiden name, social security number, right? No, the reason I grabbed the email, guys, is because when I do these larger giveaways, so I've been trying to get like a 50K account and give it away. Outside of that, I'm gonna be sending an email out with a way to enter on there. So this order block has been printing for me today. I had a terrible open this morning, tonight, I mean, and I need to go to bed soon. Well, hey, if you're all right, if you're nicely up, that's good. You don't need to worry about it then. So we're back up to the VWAP here. No shortcuts taken or earned with persistence, made the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knocks heavy while the memory spinning. So yeah, so make sure you fill out the form there in the chat. So you're waiting for 29,030, Yannix? You're looking for a long down there? Or you're short looking for to get out there? Johnny Drift, hey, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name. Nice to meet you. If you are new to the stream, maybe it's the first time you've commented. I definitely don't recognize Johnny X Drift. Must be driving a car on a racetrack, just burning rubber around the corners. That's what I'm picturing right now, right? Wait, does Ralph have IVDD? What's IVDD? So he has a degenerative disc disease, if that's what you mean. Ralph has unfortunately he had 2 surgeries due to his spinal cord, so he's immobile. You're up on one funded and a couple evals tonight. I'm just upset about losing on my main funded today, LOL, but I'll get it over by morning. Okay, yeah, try to forget it. It's lost, it's already gone, right? So just trade your trades, and I'm sure you'll get it back, right? Bot? BOT? What's bot? Hey, Big Frank, good morning, everybody. Where are you coming from, Big Frank, if it's morning for you? Because it's pretty late for us here. So we did get a closure above the VWAP here, guys. This is interesting. We're starting to look bullish, so just kidding. The new guy? Oh, yeah. Raise it up for the one still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stays blazing. From the basement speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at a time. Tomorrow's a new day and usually a pretty good one. Thursdays, no news really this week. Yeah, no news. Yep. Somewhat different, but I have 2 Frenchies with intervertebral disc disease. Yeah, so Ralph had 2 surgeries, one on his spinal cord, and then he also had a slipped disc in his neck, which had to get a second surgery. So, oh, the bulls are here, guys. Jeez. The bulls are here. Okay, I guess we'll be looking for a retest of the VWAP here. Or even, yeah. Let's see where this candle closes. But seems like the bulls are here. What happened? They changed my fireplace on me? Raise it up for the one still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stays blazing. From the basement speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at a time. That grind line, yeah. Old soul rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a Why is there a fireplace? Because it's cold in here, man. It's cold, spiritual healing. It's cold in the summer. No, it's so I tried using some other things on the TV as a background, and then anytime I put anything that's like brighter, it like makes me look really dark because of the camera focuses on that. So it seems like the fire's the only one that's working good. So new favorite YouTube trader. It's a lot of work, but ours are so sweet and they don't know any difference. I'm sure. Yeah, exactly. He's a happy guy. He doesn't care. He's had a lot of battles actually. It's not just the disc disease. He fought pneumonia for 2 years. I almost lost him twice throughout that time because he refused to eat, and I literally was syringing wet food, like wet pate, into his mouth, and I basically got him to stay with us. So I'm in Canada born hunting, so I'm just joking about the cold. It's not really that cold. It's super hot today. Well, super hot for me anyways. It was like 28 degrees today. So yeah, so now he's battling a skin bacterial skin infection. So this guy he's a poor guy. Yes, I do. And I, he poops uncontrollably also. So I express his bladder 3 to 4 times a day. So 28 in American, that's a good question. Probably like 70 or 80 something. I don't know. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken or earned with persistence. Made the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knocks heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse. Let the session begin. Yeah. Concrete session. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers, city lights flicker, late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters, yeah. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition, cold nights, warm beats, survival. Chess moves, not checkers. Oh, you go through. Oh, you use diapers. Okay, yeah. I just I don't use any diapers. I just kind of like. I have a whole bunch of dog towels, so I'm changing dog towels like all the time. That's what he's sleeping on right now. 28 is 82. Okay, yeah. If you're a Canadian, you will say about funny? A boot? Is that how you guys usually hear Canadians say about? A boot? You're in Chicago? Nice. I've never been to Chicago yet. Okay, we might get this VWAP retest here. Let me see here. 142 long. I'm gonna try an attempt here on the VWAP. Let's see. Oh shoosh. Looks like we might be too late now. Ooh, I was in the wrong account. Good thing I noticed. Here we go. And then basically we'll probably look for a stop below midnight open in worst case scenario, which is 112. So 112. That's quite a bit of space, but it was pulling back a bit. Go for it. Yeah, I'm waiting for 29,210, yesterday's VWAP close, to potentially sell. What do you think? It's lining up with the top of the channel, so it could be a decent area for a short. But I would be careful just because you'd be getting pretty close to the point of control at that area. So I did get a 1 micro entry there. Let's see here. Hopefully they don't end up taking another loss. If I take another loss in this account, I'm going to have to wrap it up for the day. Can't see Ralph. What's he doing there? He's sleeping with his head right in the camera. Raphael, I mean, yeah, I would just be a little bit careful up there because if we're getting that close to the PLC, we could end up, taking it. But I do like it that it's at the top of this channel. So it could be definitely a good resistance area. I'll be looking to take some profits probably around the value area low here if it keeps going up. So Manuel trading, it can go for 29,240. Yeah, that's kind of the PLC, right? So I can agree with that also. I usually trade NQ, but ES has been setting up nicely today. I had a few really nice trades. Price can go ahead and hit the limit or stop loss. I'm ready to sleep now. Okay. Nice. I took 1 loss earlier. Yeah. I took a short here and I was up like $100 on 1 micro. And then it bounced on me, and I added in on a bearish fair value gap for some continuation, and it just kind of went a little bit higher. So I added one more time as we were getting a bit of this candle rejected here. So I was like thinking, okay, well this might reject again and continue lower. So I added in, and then I ended up closing it somewhere up in this area. Where was it? Like right around this area where my stop loss is right now. Because I was, it was going against me. It broke my rules of closing outside of the fair value gap that I entered on. So yeah, so I took $160 loser in this blue sky eval that I'm trading tonight. So yeah. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on their shoes, but the vision stays blazing. From the basement speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at a time. That grind line, yeah. Old soul rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss. It's breaking the rules that hurts more than money loss. Yes, I agree 100%. So I just had to follow my own rules there. So, and like I said, I did close it, and then I could have got out break even on the pullback into the inverted fair value gap. And then look at that. Like, this was a beautiful entry here. I really like inverted fair value gaps for continuation of the change in direction. We were bearish. We held the lows. We inverted this fair value gap. That was really a great entry there. And then look at this. We could have been up by, 75 points. So target 29,280 and then 340 maybe. I don't know if I would be like personally. I don't know. I would be looking to get out either at value area low or the top of this channel where the VWAPs are. So I mean, definitely do your thing, trade your thing. But I wouldn't really say, I can't predict price that far ahead. That's that kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like that's just not my style to take that like that long of a time frame look at the market. Hakuna Cerveza, did you say? Hakuna Candles seasonal. Hananuka candles season. (11/1) Saran? November 1? I don't know what that means. I'm confused. What does the orange area on the book map? So those are just orders on the book map, right? So anywhere that there's orders, they'll be orange. So it's just showing that there's contracts that are on the book at those levels. It's a little bit easier to see it on MNQ for whatever reason. It just looks a little bit more clear to see. But as you can see, like there's clusters of orders. Like for example, at 200, there's 74 contracts, right? So when they have these lines like this, it just shows that there's orders there. And typically price likes to go to those like orders. You know, it doesn't mean we're instantly going to go there, but if your bias is long and you have a criteria, you get an entry, this can just help you with another confluence. And then often I'll be looking at taking profits sort of like just below these or getting ready to exit the trade, because quite often they're going to get to some of these bigger orders and then they don't take them and they pull back 15, 20, 30 points. So Bookmap isn't cheap. So it's $40 a month for the platform, right? So just for the software, and then you got to buy data for it, and the data is about 78, I think, and that's a bundle package of data. So that means like you have NQ, ES, YM, and all the commodities. Now, if you're only doing ES and NQ, you can just get the CME bundle, which would be cheaper. I think it's like 30 or 40 bucks. So you can get in for a total of 80. So it is pretty expensive, but I think it's pretty invaluable to be able to see all the orders that are on the book map, right? I use Bookmap just for levels. Orders can be pulled and really look at where the resting orders are. Yeah, so having the orders on the book just kind of like help you, you know, they're a draw on liquidity, right? So yeah, I was thinking about trying to get a code with Bookmap also. It's a good idea. Yeah, so, you know, the market's efficient, right? So it likes to go where the liquidity is. And often, even if it is an algo and they're going to pull the orders, it's fine. If the orders are there, typically the price wants to go to it, right? So it's just an added confluence. And, but that's why you got to be careful, because they might pull the orders or they might reject price before they get to those orders. So you just got to be careful about that. And it's something you need to just kind of like learn from watching over time, right? So the longer time you spend watching the book map, the more you'll start to notice like, okay, well, there's 200 orders at this level, price pulls up to it, it doesn't take it, and then it pulls back 15, 20 points, right? So some people will look at it like, I'm going to take a short at these large order blocks, and then it's going to pull back and I'm going to take my profits. Other people are using them as a draws on liquidity, like price is going to go there. They take profit ahead of those orders, you know, so there's a bunch of different ways. So Steven Profs in the house. Hey, what's up, buddy? Instead of a screen with fire, I use Bookmap like a vintage lava lamp. Soothing. Really? So you think I should have a Bookmap on the screen? I wonder if I could do that. Oh, because Bookmap has like Bookmap has like a software though, so I can't really load the software on the TV. Manuel might go to 195 first. Yeah, 195 is a good level. I'll be looking to take profits probably up here around the 180, 190 area. It's too bad I didn't get a second contract on that pullback there. But hopefully, you know, we got the 200 EMA here. That's that little gray line here, which seems to be a little bit of resistance here on the 5 minute. And it's also lining up with a 5 minute bearish fair value gap and a larger time frame 1 hour fair value gap. So price is not very friendly right now. So make the TV a scrolling ticker, like the price is going by, you mean? We're gonna have to get a larger playlist so the chat can contribute. We don't put it all on you. Yeah, there's lots of spots in the AI. If you guys, or there's an AI channel in the Discord. If you're welcome to definitely put it in there. I guess these songs are probably getting a little bit boring after a while. We've played, we've had the same songs for quite a while. I'm just trying to slowly scroll through them all here, so you can kind of switch it up. There's a Devil's Mark at 113. On what time frame is that on? Which is right where my stop is. Oh, on this 5-minute candle. Uh-oh, I don't like that. Yeah, we got a Devil's Mark on the 5-minute here. Woo. 1666 1999.
No nonsense, just levels. VWAP execution.
Looks like I might get my other contract in here. There we go. Yep, re-enter after that levels. Notice Rift uses bookmap instead of regular candle chart. I think he also uses a chart though, doesn't he? It's your plan. It's a safer trade. Yeah, fair enough. I wouldn't be taking along personally down there just because, you know, once I get below the VWAP, I'm looking for shorts typically. So hopefully this candle doesn't close below 140 here. That'll invert this little fair value gap that I'm entering in on here, and I'll have to exit this trade. Hey, 170 people in YouTube, 14 people in X. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit that bell notification and set it to all. I noticed that some of the people in the stream had been getting their notification changed from all to personalized. So check that out. Make sure you guys set it up so it's to all, and then you won't miss any of the streams. So I do go live guaranteed Monday or Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, but this week, and I'm probably going to go forward, I'm going to try to put in a few more evening streams. So I might be in like a Monday or a Wednesday also. So, but typically I'm Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evenings, and then we're open. We're live for the market open 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. So come hang out, guys. Come hang out. Yeah, YouTube will change it. Yeah. So if you guys just take a quick look and switch that to all, that would be the best for not only for me, but also for you guys, so you don't miss the stream. Nuclear requirement post New Mexico nuclear bombing. What? New Mexico nuclear bombing. I'll check in on Ralph and maybe learn a little more ICT in the meantime. Oh geez, we inverted that fair value gap, guys. Oh, come on. Am I gonna really just take 2 losses back to back here? I need to be a little more aggressive on profit taking on these accounts here. I usually don't let it ride so much. Typically, like I usually take profits earlier. This trade isn't dead yet, but it's kind of like, what? Never heard of Trinity? What's Trinity? Oh, are you talking about 1 to 9 0 reserved for Japanese 0-point energy? Trinity, like, are you talking about from the Matrix? Are you talking about the Matrix, Steve? I can't seem to keep up. Stack Dubs, I haven't seen you in a little while. Thanks for tuning in here. Oh, there we go. We're going, guys. We're going. Okay, I'm gonna probably take 1 contract off here at the highs. Come on, let's get us back up here. Right up there, 162. Don't be the end of the bounce here. Come on, let's go. We are in America Alchemy AI mode, bro. Matrix. Push, right? You're out? Nice. I'll check on her. Oh, sorry, I read that comment earlier. Okay, how we doing on the forum, guys? Let's take a quick look here. We got 26 entries. We'll wrap up the forum here in a couple minutes. So make sure you get that entry in. Make sure you get that entry in. You know, yeah, we'll give it to 5 minutes before the hour. We'll trade it. Or no, you know, we'll give it 3 more minutes here, and then we'll do the giveaway shortly after. We'll do the race shortly after the hour, just because I don't want to be looking away from the charts when we have the hourly candle coming. So. Come on, candle. How many likes? We were at 75 likes, but we have about 170 people watching right now. Uh, 88 likes. What is the entry? Like, my entry price is at 143, if that's what you're asking. We had a bullish fair value gap, was why I was entering, and the VWAP. We inverted the fair value gap, but prices popping up here since then. I'm done. Time for bed. Have a great night. Okay, Jaded, you have a great night also. Good to see you, buddy. Come on, NQ. Let's get up here and take out this order here. Once I take this order out, I'll probably be going break even on the remaining contract. So like the stream or you won't be green. I wish it worked like that. If it was that easy, that'd be awesome. Hey, just like hit like and then you're green on the day. No, for the duck race, I entered your. I see your entry. You'll be okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see. It's all the way back to my entry now. Okay, bow hunter, born hunting. Sorry, bow hunter. Oh, geez, guys, this price is not being very friendly right now. Hey. Well, I guess if this candle closes below VWAP, I might have to leave this. So, yeah, you gotta take some heat during Asia. It's just been so choppy. Like, we're just not getting a huge trend. Looks like spoofing all over your bookmap. Yeah, let's go to the MNQ. Maybe it's a little bit cleaner looking here. So the orders above came. Some of them came off. We still have orders up there, 29,200, and then we got some down at 75. Some sitting there at 120. Oh, geez, I'm not liking this closure, guys. I'm not liking it. I think I'm gonna exit this trade here. Give it a few seconds here, see if it's gonna bounce at all. I just don't want to get chopped out here in this price action. Is it going to bounce? Hey, GLaDOS in the house. Looks like... Oh, yeah. I read your comment. I didn't read your name. Ralph, you doing a close-up right now? He's nesting. 1868 AI ledger audit out of our control, bro. Gotcha. My dog's name is Ralph. Ralph got up to check the trade. He's like nesting right now. He's like, can you please make this blankie a little bit better? You just won't stop, eh?
Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders.
Come on, hold the line. We're sitting on the 21 EMA there. That's the little purple line. Let's see if it's gonna bounce back up here. If we get it back above my entry price, I think I might just go break even. but it's looking pretty bearish at the moment. So I should probably just cut this thing here. Damn it, man. This price is just not working out for me. Yeah, I'm getting out here. It's gonna hit my stop anyway, so let's just save a couple points here. Just not my night, I guess. So 2 trades, 2 losses, unfortunately, is what it is.
Confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade.
That's why I don't know. I wasn't really. Looks like we missed the clean action here. Was this pull after we made this high and we started looking bearish? You know, pretty nice strong move down. This could be a bounce. Maybe we're gonna head lower here. So
Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing.
yes, I do. Yes, he does have one of those devices, but I used to let him run around a lot with it on. And oh, what did he do to the Ralph? Ralph messed up the camera, guys.
Arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. And somebody in chat says
MQ dirty.
Everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows MQ dirty.
Stops trading. It's like
Yeah, just one more trade. Redeem yourself.
you know exactly
Yeah, so I'm currently down. Unfortunately, down 260 in this blue sky eval. I was up a little over 300 and something in that account, and I basically almost back to the starting price. So it's not the end of the world. We got wheels for a Frenchie, but only one of them likes using them. She really fast in the wheels though. Yeah, so he doesn't hate it. He doesn't hate it, but I found that like it aggravated his back legs. Like after we had taken for a run, he would get all feet kicking and stuff. So I sort of stopped doing that. I just usually use a
market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank.
I usually just use like kind of like one of those handheld ones.
The whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out.
So Isaiah Hoax, has anybody had this message with funded futures? I didn't see. We can't see your message though, Isaiah.
Actually, it's mostly bad.
Maybe it's maybe it just got
I was sitting there watching NQ,
taken out.
like a
So
grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow
did I miss your? Because I don't see the message that you're saying.
everybody got
Has anybody had this message and then I don't see anything in my funded futures, and then it says question marks.
guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade.
I don't see what the message is though. Like I don't know if you accidentally didn't message it or link the message.
Before they blow the
You like the Ralph Cam? See, please. Hey, thank you. Yeah, he's a co-star here on the show, so he's just hanging out with us. You know, he's taking Nick's spot for now till the morning. So Ralph. You have a drag bag for one of those girls too. She rips up her feet without it. Okay, yeah. You know, because he's 10 and a half years, he's not that mobile. Like he doesn't really want to walk around. Like I got like this sort of like it's like the ones that you put under their belly to give them support, and then I cut some like leg holes in it, so I use that, and he'll like go around a bit, but in general he likes to just chill now. So I don't know.
before they blow the day. Just one more trade.
Yeah, Isaiah, I don't see the message that you're talking about. Like all I see is has anybody seen this message? And then it says with my funded futures and then question mark. So I don't know what message you're talking about. You're a broker. Yeah, again, just don't see the message you're talking about. Hey, Zero PhD in the house. How are you doing? The Tradeify interview went great. I'm an affiliate now with Tradeify. So I have an interesting code. I'm trying to get it changed to Butcher. And it should get changed to Butcher, but currently it's a different weird code, and it's in the comment section of in the description of the video. There's a link there, and there's also a code there. So if you guys are getting a Tradeify account and you want to support the channel, I'd appreciate that. You can use my discount code. Super excited to be an affiliate with them. So yeah. That's weird. You pasted it? Yeah, for whatever reason it never came through, Isaiah. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Jerry.
Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Misk, the whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade.
Hey, yeah, thanks, Zero. Appreciate it.
You probably shouldn't beat fades out.
Okay, so we got that hourly candle here in about 2 more minutes. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna bounce or what?
Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking.
The Bears.
Going crazy. Everybody got an opinion.
Oh, you think the Bears are gonna come in on the hourly candle?
One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
Yeah, quite possibly. Quite possibly.
Meanwhile,
We'll see what happens at the VWAP here, if they're gonna retest it or bounce or whatever. So
just one more trade.
would that be considered an order block to the left? Order rejected account currently set to liquidation due to auto liquidation with no auto unlocking. Good question. I don't know about that. Which you said it was your. It sounds like you broke a rule or something. Anybody know what he's talking about there? It's what did you say it was? My funded futures or my funded futures? Yeah. Daily loss limit, max loss limit, one of the two. You blew the account. So yeah, that's usually what it means. Is if it's been auto liquidated, it's been rules unpublished. That's why you thought Ryan, but haven't got breached email or dashboard saying it's breached. Then it might be only your daily loss limit. Maybe. So we got the hourly candle here.
Somebody in chat says
MNQ dirty.
Everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows.
Could be daily max loss.
It's like
Yeah, it could be.
Crazy X. You know exactly what's gonna happen.
There isn't a daily loss limit, just max. Huh.
The Mustang trader draws the levels, beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here, brother. Why? The level
I don't know. I've been confused for houses. I'll see you in the morning. I figure I blew it. Yeah, possibly, right? Yeah, the best is just to open a ticket with their support if you can.
Then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on
Which
cartoon ducks.
it was a fresh past eval.
Had a plastic duck, and honestly,
So someone let me hold a couple hundred. Oh, sheesh.
Market butcher,
That sucks.
Mustang trader,
Britt Martin.
Ralph,
Britt Martin in the house.
Misk, the whole gang.
Oh, you opened a ticket. Nice. Rapid or builder?
If you say just one more
Yeah, I don't really know those accounts with my funded futures. so I can't really help you with those. I've never done any research or looked into those. So did you upgrade it from the eval? Then if you upgraded it from the eval, maybe that's why it's liquidated until they give you the funded account. I don't know. I'm confused. But yeah, I would say the best thing is to just talk to their, you know, video Gaiangementi? Sorry, video Gaiagemeni. I'm gonna call you video, bro. Sorry, I can't. I'm done trying to butcher your name here. You're new to the channel. Do you trade NQ every morning on the EU session? I'm actually, it's nighttime for me. I'm in Vancouver, near Vancouver, Canada, and British Columbia. So this is pretty late for me. It's already 10 p.m. here. So I usually trade 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, with the occasional other days, which I'm trying to get into a few more evening streams. And then I also trade for the New York Open at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. So if you want to come hang out, hit the bell notification, turn it to all, and hit the like button, and we'll see you on the future streams for sure. That's your scalp account for that very reason. Gotcha. Is it intraday in funded? Oh yeah, so you got to be pretty careful with the intraday, because if you go into profit and it pulls back and you get a break even, you could blow your account, right? Okay, I'm gonna get the form going here. We're gonna unpin the message now, remove that message, and we will get the duck race going here. We left it up for quite some time now, so I had lots of time to get an entry. We have 31 responses in there, so I'm gonna grab the YouTube names here, and we'll do 2 or 3 races really quick here at the hour. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly, and some guy in chat says, "Yeah, but I entered over here, brother." Edit the list. The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive, in your account, emotional. And then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And honestly, ranges like this, you log into your My Funded Futures account. Yeah, that's smart. And then you can just take little 5, 10, 15 point scalps kind of idea. Very good stream during the New York session with Mustang Trader. Yeah, so I trade live Monday to Friday also with Nick, also known as Mustang Trader. You guys should check him out also here. I'll drop his link here real quick. Go to his channel here, grab that for you guys. So he's got about 177 subscribers, a little bit lower on the subscriber side, but check out Mustang Trader. That's who I trade with Monday to Friday live. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. So where is that duck race song? Like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't. And they also didn't send you an account breach. Interesting. Can put you on the mic. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat this side. Bone a candle print and the bears all high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Okay, let's shuffle these guys around here. Good luck, guys. Top maybe next candle ripping market acting crazy. No, it's not. While the breakout fly, the nasty room. Let me turn off that banner so you guys can see what's going on. And good luck everybody here. So this is for an extra duck in the Sunday giveaway. And yeah, If you guys haven't filled out the form on the Discord for the Sunday giveaway, head over there, join the Discord. Let me actually, I'm just going to quickly post this real quick so you guys can have access to it. One sec here. So I'll post that there. That's a Discord link, and I'll pin that message. And good luck here. We're going to probably do about 3 of these races to give you guys an extra duck into the futures or into the Sunday giveaway here. So Mustangs, DMNG, duck races. Yes. Hopefully they just reset your account for you. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be the ideal situation, right? So Johnny X Drift there, Lady C, Wilson is gold, Tony gold, Hectron, Keith Smith. 6 seconds here. Who's going to come from the back and win here? Looks like Keith Smith's going to take it. Tony Gold and Keith Smith on neck to neck here. Yeah, Keith Smith. Keith Smith, are you here? Yes, I'm sure you are. But let me just get duck race entries.
No revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top 1 Lucid, funded dreams alive. 1 Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FVG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlist, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty. And the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps. Sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine. Another one.
Sorry, had to answer my mom there. She's visiting my grandma, and unfortunately, sounds like she's not doing very good. So she's in the hospital, unfortunately. So I'm glad that my mom did get to go see her. So Keith Smith, okay, you're here. Perfect. Done. All right, on to the next one here. Race again. Good luck. We'll do a quick little shuffle here. There we go.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a Boner Campbell.
Guys, I'm pretty happy with tonight's stream. We got 134 people currently still watching. So thank you for tuning in, everybody. I appreciate you guys. The Elevated Life here, Lady C, Jaded, Uncle Daniel, Big Frank. Nice to see some new names again here. It's been a week there without having any new names, but who's going to win here? It looks like Madrid. David Madrid's going to take the W here. Oh, great. You put your email? You're getting spam for sure, Ryan. K.A. made MMXM. Have a good one. Tony Gold, close race, right? Yes. Congrats, David. Are you here still? I'm assuming you're here, right? David Madrid 5134. Extra duck for Sunday race. Oh, congrats. There you go. He is here. Nice. Awesome. All right. So let's do one more here real quick. Let's get this out of the way. One more duck for the Sunday race. Good luck. And then hopefully you guys who are here supporting the stream throughout the week, one of you guys ends up in winning rather than a random person that shows up on Sunday and signs up. This is the hopes behind doing all these extra races. So your duck is valid for 6 weeks if you win an extra duck. I've set it up in ChatGPT where it keeps track of when the extra ducks are given. So every 6 weeks, any new ducks get removed. If you win an account, your extra ducks get removed. just to make it fair for other people, right? So trying to just keep it as fair as possible for everybody.
Trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade? Do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live.
Moonboy, Jaded, Paul Cuerdo, Drew 69 Malibu, Raphael Cini. Looks like Raphael in the clown outfit is going to take the W here. My duck is gone. Angia, what happened to your duck? It's in the background. Calling my duck. Where's my duck? Oh, sorry, Red. You're a little bit late. That was the last race here. Oh, that was the last race already. We just gave away the third one. This is rigged. I know, it's always rigged, isn't it? Raphael, are you still? Oh, yes, you are here. Nice. Okay, guys. Well, congrats to the 3 people who got an extra duck into the next Sunday giveaway. So good luck to you guys on that day. Hopefully, you know, some of the people who are supporting the channel throughout the week end up being the winners. But yeah, I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks so much for that. And let's keep an eye on this market here. We're still kind of holding this bullish fair value gap here, 29,100 area. We did take out that devil's mark on that 5-minute candle, so that trade is played out. Whoever mentioned that in the chat, good job. Nice eye on that one. Now, are we going to be bearish, or are we going to continue with a little bit of a bullish pop here? Hard to say. So some financial juice news just came on. Asian stocks rise as chip makers with Brent reaches $96. Asian stocks rose on Thursday as chip makers extended their recent rally, supported by expectations they will be major beneficiaries of continued AI investment. MSCI's Asia Pacific Index gained 1%, while South Korea's Kospi climbed 3.7%. Samsung, SK Hynix both rose more than 3% as investors remained optimistic about long-term demand for AI infrastructure. Very nice. Very nice. Sounds pretty bullish. Ryan, add me on Discord. Isaiah gets lit. Oh, you like to have some drinks there, Isaiah? Is that how you get lit, or is it a different way? Can 8 get in? Oh, can I? Yeah, 8 is right by the eye. Makes sense. It says you need to add me. So far, this fair value gap's holding pretty well. Are we going to get a little bounce? Maybe we're going to get a bounce back up to the VWAP before we continue this push lower. Hard to say at this point. What are we looking like on the 15 here? Huh. Obviously looking a little bit bearish on these last 3 candles, although we've been getting lots of buyers on the bottom of these wicks here. Tapped into this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We have this inverted one here, kind of sort of tapped into it on that retest. So yes, that is a Ralph cam. I took suggestion by some people in the chat there, and we made it happen. I just used my iPad and I connected it to StreamYard, and then we put Ralph on, and then look at that. The algorithm likes me again, guys, because we got, you know, we had 160 people in the stream. We're down to 113 now, but you know, we're also getting towards the end of the stream. So typically numbers do taper off a little bit around the time when we do the duck race. So it is what it is. I know people got to sleep. You got to be up tomorrow morning for work or for trading futures. Hey, there's Ralph. Ralph's like, hey, quit talking over there. I'm trying to sleep.
whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much. Real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good tracks D. Well, man,
I gotta catch up on my Kill Tony before going to bed. Is Kill Tony a TV series? Agent Rogue in the house. Good evening. Decided to work late today and missed all 3 races. Well, I typically not even streaming on Wednesdays, so I don't blame you for missing it. Make sure you double check, and everybody else who's in the chat here too, make sure you double check the bell notification. I've been getting told from some people that their notification has been from all to personalized, so you might be missing some of the notifications. So double check the bell and make sure it's set to all, guys, and then you won't miss any of these streams and potentially these giveaways.
Structure. FVG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream
Kel Tony, hell yeah. Oh, comedy podcast. Oh, nice. If only you could play Who Let the Dogs Out for the morning session intro with Ralph and Nick. That'd be bell to all, yes. Give him a chance. Today I had some depression. That almost kept me in bed, but something said I need to get up. Good for you. Yeah, I mean, don't listen to those thoughts in your brain. You gotta like overpower them with your personal decision and choices, right? So good for you for getting up for that. And I'm sorry to hear that you were feeling bad. So maybe get out and go for a nice long walk, get some fresh air. It always helps, right? So run one more time. Please. Clee and Dave love the support. You got to check out Kill Tony. Okay. Yeah, I will. Okay, guys, let's just do one more race here. We'll add red and we'll do one more race. Angie's calling us out for it. So I'm just putting Red's dog. We know who it is.
Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market.
Change the music here real quick.
Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas.
Full screen. Good luck here. Let's shuffle it around. And we're off here. Good luck. One more. Angie is the boss. We got to listen when she says jump, we jump, AI suggested Who Let the Dogs Trade, parody of Who Let the Dogs Out. Hey, that's a good idea. It's a very good idea. $18 seconds here. Some stop losses are hit there. Moon Boy still holding strong here. Jaded missed the elevated life. Yannick's. Oh, Moon Boy. Oh, Angia calls for the race and then she wins. Look at that, guys. It's like it's rigged, guys. This is rigged. It's rigged. It's rigged. Totally rigged. I'll give it to him. You want to give it to Red? This isn't rigged at all. Yeah, sure. Give it to Red. Okay. If you wish, Angia. Okay. There we go. Congratulations, Red, I guess. Angia rigged the race and then she gave it to you. So, I mean, what can we do about it? Oh, geez. Why isn't my account connected anymore?
Value high, value low. Watch it flow back again. Back again, smart money always knows. Force fed calling out the moves. Randy's cool, he's got the groove. Jerry waiting, never rush.
Almost out of this trade here. Basically recovered all my losses there. I don't know why the heck it logged me out there. I shouldn't have been logged out of that. I wasn't even paying attention, and then I heard order filled, and I'm like, what the heck's going on here? So looks like I'm basically back to break even now on the day. Especially if I need to put a stop here in the money. Make sure I guarantee not to let this go back on me here. Sell 3, stop, trail it up to here. Let's just take 2 more off there, and I'll change this to 1. Yeah, so I'm up on that account. I'm up on that account now, so that's good. Recovered my 2 losses from earlier. I don't know why was I logged out of this account here. Support the channel will be the biggest blessing, of course. Yes. I feel like the algorithm started liking me again here, though. We did get a whole bunch of views tonight. A bunch of new people came in. Subscribers went up for the first time in over a week. Okay, stop got filled there, guys. I'm all out for that trade now. I've recovered the loss, and I'm up $59 now off those after those 2 losses earlier. Yeah, it does look short for the Reds. I was looking for a bounce out of this fair value gap. So you're off to bed. Thanks for another great stream. Even better with the pooch. Hey, yeah. I think he's going to be a common guest now. You close your long flat now? Nice trade, Randall. Me too. I'm glad I took off those other 2 contracts near the high there. I was only looking for a retest into the 130s here. I went a little bit heavier, 6 contracts. With entered down here at this bullish fair value gap, and then I was targeting sort of this 133 area. So I closed most of it at around 127, 128, 130 area. So after those couple losses, recovered the account now, which feels good. So up $59 in that Blue Sky account. Thanks, Wilson. You have a great night. It's swinging almost predictably. Yeah. We're holding so much support there for multiple candles in a row, because I'm on the 15-minute chart right here. So we were holding like so nicely here that that's why I had my orders. I entered in sort of on, I think it was on these 2 candles here. I ended up going along, added to it, and it broke out there. Closed it on this wick. Could have held it, I guess. Looking like we could have gone higher here, but just wanted to get my account back to a decent area. So 2 losses earlier took me down, and now I'm back to break even plus $59. So your long's finally green. Nice, Zero. Nice, bro. Nice.
Howdy there, everybody! My name's Dave. And today, accidentally bought the top.
And today, I accidentally bought the top.
I woke up at the Globex open. Thought my setup looked pretty swell.
Ralph's pretty boring though, hey?
Then I bought a giant
MKJ, you're still in this long. Nice. Oh, bro. Damn. Beautiful. Look at that candle there. Congratulations, bro. I should have held two, hey? I just like, because I was in drawdown, I wanted to just lock in the yes, I trade with Top One Futures. I have a funded account with them and an evaluation account, and I passed a 100K account that I haven't activated yet. So I have one 150K funded account, I have a 50K evaluation, and I have a 100K evaluation that's already passed. So how to join the giveaway, Nuru? Head over to the Discord. That's a pinned comment in the chat there. Head over to the Discord, go into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of the giveaway channel. There's a little form to fill out, and I do the giveaway every Sunday, somewhere around this time on Sunday night. So yeah, fill out that form. You'll be entered into the Sunday giveaway. You only have to do it once a month. So when a new month starts, make sure you head into the Discord and refill it out, and then you'll be entered in for all the Sunday giveaways for that entire month.
Ralph the French, he shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk.
Even the duck race understands risk. Even the ducks know when to quit. But somehow I still average down while the whole chat's watching it. I'm an honest trader, a stop loss violator. I turn a tiny paper cut into a full excavator. I'm an honest trader.
I'm trying to figure out why our names aren't showing up on my edit name and headline. It's there. Maybe I gotta do this.
Like every single time.
The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast.
What a pump here, guys. What a pump.
Starts laughing, poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go.
The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded account evaporator. I passed 3 evils in a row, then somehow got much worse later. I'm an Amish trader, a chart annihilator. But tomorrow morning I'll probably do
A little mosquito. It's a no-see-him mosquito. He's gonna land on me. I'm not gonna be able to tell, and he's gonna bite me.
Going down, trade like adults, unlike me. Quack, quack. Good night, everybody.
I need to open my authenticator. I'm trying to get into my affiliate dashboard
My name's
for Tradeify.
And today, I accidentally bought the top. Again. I woke up at the Globex open. Thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang
Buy the top. Yeah, buy the top. Don't buy the top, guys.
said, "Don't chase." 5 seconds later, I
Where's your pinned comment on Discord? I can't seem to find. Oh, you gotta. So once you get into the giveaway channel, you gotta scroll to the very top. So it's buried by a bunch of comments, right? So just scroll to the very top of that, and you know, maybe I should go in there and make that, like, change the restriction on that and remove all the comments and then make it easier for people to find, because sometimes people go in there and say what's up or whatever, and then yeah. Yeah, just scroll to the top, Randall. You should be able to find it. It's the very first comment. It's pinned to the very top, but it does take a second to scroll to the very top. $30K, here we come. I know, right? This is the move that we were looking for all night. It's too bad. Later, Clee. Good night. I just got back from a run. Looks like I missed a drop, and now maybe moving up. I'm going to curl up and read a book for the night. Have a fantastic night. Oh, that sounds so amazing. I like the whole idea of like just curling up to read a book. I mean, how do you like curl up on your side, or like curl up in a ball like sitting up, or I'm just trying to picture it. Takes forever to scroll. I'd either delete the nonsense or repost it at the bottom. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll change the settings there so nobody else can post in there, only I can. And then what do you think about TOF payout days and consistency rule? I mean, it's reasonable. It's reasonable. Their consistency rule is 20% on their straight to funded. I have a discount code with them, by the way. So if you go straight to funded, it's 20%. If you go, what are the other ones here? Elite access is no consistency, I think, on the funded. Yeah, none on the funded, but 40% on the evaluation. That's the elite daily. Elite access is no consistency on the evaluation, but 40% on the funded, which is pretty good. I have one of these accounts passed. I just haven't, because it's pretty expensive to activate it. I'm waiting till the end of the month. Don't want to spend more money on my budget here. So, but I'm going to activate this guy probably next month. But yeah, the instant sim fundeds are 20% and the ignites are 15%. So 15% is pretty hard on these accounts. It's pretty low amount, but base hits, right? Really? Bi-weekly payout and 20% is just not cool. Yeah, that's if you go straight to funded, right? That's if you go straight to funded. So if you're gonna get the daily payout accounts, which I think are the best ones here, Elite Daily, they have 50% off right now. They have you know, it takes you 2 days, 3 days to pass, and then you'll have no consistency and you do daily payouts. So, oh, the account was free, so you got to trade with them. Okay. All right, Angia. Have a good night. Have a good night. Oh, it's already 10:35. Hey, should probably wrap up the stream here pretty quick. I do have to be up tomorrow morning. Iran targeted U.S. missile defense and radar in Jordan. Escalating the war here. Stack Dubs, what are you doing steamy faces for here? Thank you for the stream, Mr. Dave. Very, very kind of you. Yeah, thank you. Did I get him finally? It's one of those freaking tiny mosquitoes. Top one looked cheap, but it seems many criteria. Yeah, so I mean, 20% consistency is okay. I mean, you make $600 a day on your 50K, and you're gonna be fine. So you got to trade with them for 5 days, anyways. So 600 times 5, it gets you to the profit target. So it's not unreasonable. It's in line with most of the other ones. So yeah, that was a great call out there, Stack Dubs. Did you not take it or what? I mean, I took long there. I entered long at 109. So I forgot that you had said that, but yeah, great call out for sure. I already closed my trade up at the 125, 130 area. Just wanted to get the lock in the drawdown from my previous losses in case this thing decided to reject off the VWAP and go lower. But yeah. Phidias prop? No, but somebody mentioned that. Maybe it was you before mentioned that, but I did write it down. I was going to look into them. Phidias, my funded futures, elite trader funded were the three firms that I wrote down from suggestions from people in the chat. I only would have stayed in my longs and weathered the storm. If I only would have, yeah. I know, right? I'm just keeping my stops pretty tight. And it kind of paid off in the end because I did reduce the amount of loss I took, and then now I'm green a little bit. But yes, this was a beautiful move here. But yeah, this pullback down to the, you know, we had that devil's mark somebody mentioned also, and then it lined up with the 113 area. So great call out, definitely great call out. Yeah, and thanks everybody for tuning in. It was really awesome to see the channel get a little bit of growth again. So let's take a look, because I was stuck at 1,770 subscribers for such a long time here, and we broke 1,800. We're back, baby. We're back. Yes. Oh, as you guys know, if you were watching the stream throughout the week there, I was been pretty bummed out that the algorithm has been not promoting my stream. Views were cut in half. I was sitting at 1,770 subscribers, or just under, for multiple days in a row. So to be over 1.8 feels so good, so good. So I don't know if it was the thumbnail change, the title change, or maybe we can just blame it all on Ralph. But it is what it is. I appreciate you guys for being here. Thanks for the support, and you know, hitting that all button on the bell notification. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome. So yeah, so I think this is a really good point to end the stream on. You know, I'm feeling really good about it. We'll be live again tomorrow morning for market open, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're up early, make sure you come hang out with Nick. Yeah, I'll be back again Thursday night also. So we'll be live tomorrow morning and tomorrow night. If you guys are up before the market, pre-market, you know, make sure you hang out with Mustang Trader. I gave you guys his link earlier. He'll be on. Maybe you guys can catch some oil trades or some other good trades with him. And then we'll all migrate over to the group stream, which we start at 9:15 a.m. And yeah, thanks so much for all the support, guys. Feeling really blessed again, as usual. Thanks so much. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then tomorrow night again. So thanks, everybody. See you guys later. Love you guys. I'll do the little shout out here before we go, as usual. And we'll switch up the song here too real quick. Where is the roll call? There we go. All right. Shout out to the Top Pan fans. K-poppers, thank you for those gem donation. That's amazing. I appreciate that so much. It's that kind of stuff that helps also promote the stream. I think it's like a notification for the algorithm to like help share it more. So I appreciate you, K-poppers. Thanks so much. Randall Paul, Yo Jim, Nada Torres. Yo Jim, Nada Torres. Why did I just notice this now? You changed your name. I hope everyone has a wonderful night. Yes, you too, Clee. I trade a cash account, so it's real money. So I try to take it careful and take calculated risks. Yeah. Well, you're a great trader, so what you've been doing all the time is great. So I'm sure you're making great decisions there. So Force Fed, Ryan Entourage, Clee Torres, Wilson is gold, Richard Dowdy, Wrong Trade Jim, Miss K, Lafta, Angia, Raphael Cini, Yanix, Zero Skill, Big Teflon, OC Dog Trader, The Elevated Life, Jaded, Johnny Drift, Paul versus World, Drew Drew69 Malibu, Keith Smith, Warlord Gaming, MK6J, The Hawk Flies, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Lady C, aka Lyric, Donnie Saindon, Made, Zero PhD, Sly Cats, Jerry Trade, Stack Dubs, Born Hunting, GQ Raphael, Soul Cirtic, Stop Loss Sam, Paul Memphis, Zach Lazarus, Keith Shees, Manuel Trading, Britt Martin, 1 HP, Agent Rogue, Trina Banana, Steve Provost, Ranja, Fruitsy Burnett, and Video. Can't say the rest of your name. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Yo, Jim Nada Torres. I love it. So thanks for hanging out, guys. See you guys in the morning. Have a great night. Stay green. Don't do anything crazy. Keep the size down. Lock in those profits, base hits, you know, all those good things. Love you guys. See you guys. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Say bye. Bye-bye, Ralph. Say bye. He's like, why are you waking me up to say bye to everybody? Bye, everybody, from Ralph. Love you guys. See you around. No homo, no homo. Only FOMO and YOLO and YOLO. It's a brotherly love.
And remember, chat, gold is heavy, oil slippery, net gas explosive. And if you full port MNQ during Farm C, you might become the next boner candle victim. Good night, Butcher Gang.
Good night, everybody. Have a great night. Peace.
The Market Butcher roll call.